I guess we're doing the Mathia comparing proportional and non-proportional relationships step-by-step example. So I'm going to set this apart the value of x is 0. Look in the table for the value of y when x is 0. 7. Oh, sorry, they want us to be more very specific. Like this. I guess reasons. Turn the slope of a linear equation select two rows from the table and calculate the difference in the rows as value for y divided by the difference in the rows as value of x. What? Yeah, that. No, it wants black for some reason. Oh well. The y-axis tag is where the graph crosses the x-axis. Look at the graph to see the y-coordinate when the x-coordinate is 0. So we do 1.75, comma 0. Well, actually, it's apparently 0, 0. That's me, apparently. That's why. To calculate the slope, select 2 points on the graph and divide the difference in the y-coordinates by the difference in the x-coordinates. In our words, my2, y1, x2, x1. What? Like, really, what? Well, give it a try. Negative 27. I have no idea what I'm doing at this rate right now. Oh, well. Yeah, I guess it's always 4. Oh, I'm sure we'll learn at some point. Yeah, I got the next one back. No, it's because... Okay, let's see what graph 2 has. Let's go graph 2. Okay, there we go. And let's at the end.